Thank you for calling Quinty West Tirecraft. My name is Karen. May I have your name, please? How may I assist you?
I am with Waste Connections of Canada, and I am in Trenton, and I have a flat tire.
Okay, you're calling about a flat tire. Is there anything else I should tell
Yep.
our team or help you with?
Did you want the tire size, just in case?
Sure thing. Can
You
you
ready?
provide? Of course. Please go ahead with the tire size.
It is 315 slash 80 or 22.5.
Got it. The tire size is 315/80 R 22.5. Is there anything else I should let the team know?
I am sitting right across from the WM dump in the nice big empty parking lot for them.
Thank you for providing that information. The team is either assisting other customers or away from their workstation right now. Would you like someone to call you back at the number you're calling from, a different number, or an email?
Uh, just the one I'm calling from is fine.
Perfect. A member of our team will get back to you as soon as they can. Thank you for choosing Quinty West Tirecraft. Have a great day.